Solve 6x squared plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. And I'm going to do this by factorising. Now, the fact that it's got a 6x squared at the front there means that this could be a 6x and that could be an x. It could be that, or it could be that it's a 3x and a 2x. In both cases, when I multiply these, I'll get 6x squared. So it could be either of them. I always like to check the numbers that are closer together first. So I'm going to carry on with the 3x times the 2x, and I'll come back to the top one if I need to in a minute. So in fact, actually, I'm going to take that and put that over there out of the way. We can come back to that if we need it in a minute. Right, now let's look at the number on the end there. We've got minus 6. So that means that this could be a 1 and a minus 6, or it could be a minus 1 and a 6, or it could be a 3 and a 2, or 3 and a minus 2 rather, or a minus 2 and a 3, or it could be a plus 2 and a minus 3. So there's a few different combinations it could be. Again, I always like to choose the numbers that are closer together first, so I'm going to check some of these numbers that are close together. The first number I'm going to check, I'm going to check this to be a minus 2 and that to be a plus 3. Let's see if that works. And if it doesn't, I'll try a different number, a different pair. Right, so I know the 3x times the 2x gives me the 6x squared. So that's good. I know the minus 2 and the 3 gives me the minus 6, but crucially, what about the middle two terms? So the 3x times the 3 would give me a 9x, and the minus 2 times the 2x would give me a minus 4x, and when I combine those together, I get I get positive 5x, which does actually work. So I've actually managed to hit the nail on the head here first time. And I don't need to try anything else, which is nice. So I know either this factor has to equal 0, or this factor has to equal 0, one of them. So 3x minus 2 equals 0, or 2x plus 3 equals 0. If I add the 2 to both sides and then divide by 3, x is 2/3. Or if I subtract the 3 from both sides here and then divide both sides by 2 here. Okay, so these are the two answers. X is either 2/3 or x is minus 2/3.